How to use Share Nearby with Smart Transfer. Need to send your files instantly from one device to another without cables, accounts, or complicated setups? Introducing Share Nearby by Smart Transfer, your fast, secure, and effortless way to share anything across Android devices. Let's get started. Download the Smart Transfer app from the Google Play Store on both devices. Open the app and tap Continue on the splash screen. You'll see a quick tutorial. Feel free to explore it or just tap Skip to jump straight in. On the main dashboard, tap the Share module. Tap Continue. Now, choose the mode for each device. Tap Send on the device sharing the data. Tap Receive on the device that's receiving the data. Important note: both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network or hotspot for Share Nearby to work. On the sender device, scroll through the content bar. Select the type of data you want to share, whether it's contacts, photos, apps, or more. Review your selection. Tap Share. Choose Share Nearby on the sender. On the receiver, select Nearby Receiver. The app will request location access on the receiver. Tap Allow. You'll now see a QR code and a passcode on the receiver. On the sender, either scan the QR code or enter the passcode manually. On the receiver, tap Accept to confirm the connection request. Tap Continue on both devices. Grant storage permission on the receiver so it can save your shared data. And that's it. Your data is now transferred quickly and securely. Tap OK on the confirmation screen. To view your transferred files, head over to the History section in the app. With Smart Transfer's Share Nearby, file sharing has never been this easy, fast, or secure. And the best part? No cables, no accounts, no stress. Download Smart Transfer today from the link in the description and experience the freedom of seamless sharing.